I saw these geometric pillows on Wayfair, but they were $44 for one pillow. And the way my bank account is set up, I wasn't able to pay that amount, but find out how I made my own for about 13 bucks. Stay tuned.
Hello again. How y'all feeling? I love y'all. Your love is bright as ever. And baby, kiss me. Baby, kiss me. Before they turn the lights out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pink, and of course, I have some more pretty things for you. I wanted to have these gray geometric print pillows, and actually, I got all of this fabric for $6.99. And you may wonder how I did that, and I'm gonna have to give you a disclaimer here. Try this at home. So I went to the fabric section in Walmart, and you can pretty much guarantee at Walmart that the service, let's just say, the customer service may not be up to par. So of course, it took the fabric person, a extremely long time to come and cut the fabric for me. So when they finally arrived, I voiced how upset I was that they took a long time and asked for a manager, and they discounted the fabric. And I know, I'm not recommending that you all, do that, but it's a good way to get cheaper fabric. Another way that you may feel more comfortable with doing is finding fabric that um, that is almost out, that has enough for the amount you need, be would run out if you needed an additional yard or so. Does that make sense? Find some fabric that is almost running out, but also has the enough for the project that you're trying to do. And what will happen is, say you needed 2 yards, and the amount on the roll is just enough for about 2.5 yards, or barely 3 yards. Then you would ask the fabric person to cut you 3 yards of that fabric. And of course, they will be concerned that it wouldn't be enough. And they usually just throw in. So then you say, well, I'll take, 2 yards. And they'll usually throw in what's left on the roll because they won't be able to sell it. So that's a good tip that you can use to get the cheaper fabric. But Walmart fabric is affordable anyway, so you don't even have to follow any of my tips or tricks. You can just go find some affordable fabric, and then you can make your pillows. So I also had a Eurosham pillowcase already that I use for my bed, and you can use that as a template. You can just put it over your fabric and trace around it and cut it that way. And I knew the size of my fabric. I knew I wanted 26 by 26. I wanted very large pillows to go on the den. I have sort of a large couch, and I wanted it to make a statement. So I cut the fabric, I doubled it up and cut the fabric into 26 by 26-inch squares. As you can see here, it really, I got some assistance from my hubby, and I did that 4 times. And so once you have your doubled up fabric for the size of pillow that you're making, then you will need to get the uh, adhesive, the fabric fusion, or the heat bonding adhesive. I found some at Walmart, and I think it was like $1. and 27 cents for a pack. You'll have more than enough in that pack. And I wanted to use this because I wanted something that was strong and durable and could be permanent if I wanted it to be, because I'm only going to adhere them 3 sides, and I'm going to leave one side open and just put some Velcro, or you can just put a few stitches on that side. But I don't want it permanent because I know I want to be able to change the pillow out. And for the inside of the pillows, I found these pillows, these 26 by 26 pillows on TJ Maxx website for $7. The reason they were $7 is because they had this funky print. It wouldn't um, match a lot of people's home decor, but since I'm covering them up, it doesn't matter. So that's another tip. You can use pillows that you already have in your home. You're just going to, it doesn't matter what they have on them. You're just going to cover them up. Or you can go to Walmart and see what pillows are on clearance. Or you can also use the filling that they use to put inside the pillows as well. Next, you heat up your iron on the steam setting. I put mine on high, on the highest. Lay the fusion tape or the fusion fabric tape on the ends, and then you just run the iron on them on the 3 sides to get sealed. You flip the pillow inside out, and then on now for a finished look on the end that you're going to leave open, what we did was we just put a hem in it. So you lay the fusion tape on the edge and then fold the edge over and then iron that so that you'll have a clean finished edge in case you just want to, or you can fully close it because, like I said, even though it's very durable, you can wash it and everything. It wouldn't be impossible to pull it back apart if you ever wanted to change it out. But I was able to just fold it over, and then I put that open-ended part on the bottom, and you won't be able to tell. If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't be able to tell. Or you can use Velcro and seal it that way, and that way you can just pull it apart. But this is a total no sewing at all because I could not sew to save my life. This was the best option for me. And as you can see, they came out so pretty and so beautiful. And I made 5, and I still have fabric left, so I'll probably make 6. Um, but I used 4 on my on the largest couch on my den, and then I also paired them with these metallic silver pillows in front, and it just really pulled the area together. And then sometimes I'll place them on my love seat, and it really brings out the silver mirrors above them. And I just love changing them around and redecorating. And it was so cheap. I'm so glad I didn't spend almost $50 for just one pillow when I made all of these pillows, and it came out to about $13 per pillow. And like I said, I still have fusion tape left, and I still have fabric left. So let me know, you guys, if you guys are bold enough to try the Walmart fabric trick, or where do you get your affordable fabric from, and what fabric did you use and what print did you use, and let me know how the fusion tape worked out for you. I'm just really curious to know if you guys are going to try this, and I would love to see. Tag me on Instagram, at me on Instagram, let me see how they turned out. As always, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and until next time, love ya.
Hello, y'all. How y'all feeling? I love y'all. Your love is rich as ever. Baby, kiss me. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out.